Hello everyone, my name is Rizki M. You can call me Rizki. In this weekend, the weather is very hot. When the weather is very hot, it's good to drink something fresh. Now, I want to tell you how to make a fruit chop. Now, I have ingredient. The one I have mango, and I have watermelon, and I have dragon fruit, and I have pineapple, and I have milk, I have water, and I have ice cube. This is my ice cube, and the tools I have glass, and I have a sponge, and I have a knife, and I have the last one is taco. Now I can tell you how to make the fruit chop. And the first one, you can cut the fruit like this. Cut the fruit to make a ballock to all fruit, and you can wash the fruit. You can wash the fruit until it's clean. And the second, you can put the taco, and you can put the water, and take the water to inside taco like this. Great. And the second, you can take the syrup, and you can take to inside the taco with the water. Done. And you can mix it with the spoon. Mix it. Already. And the second, you can take the ice cube to go to inside the taco like this. This is my ice cube. Already. After you take the ice cube to taco, you can take the fruit and go to inside the taco like this. After mango, you can take the watermelon and put the watermelon to go to inside the taco like this. After watermelon, you can take the dragon fruit and take the dragon fruit to inside the taco like this. After dragon fruit, you can take the pineapple and go to inside the taco. You can mix it. After you mix it, take the milk and cutting. Wait. Oops. This is my cat. this my cutting and cut the milk and put the milk to taco. Like this and mix it. Mix. And after you mix it, you can take your glass and put your dragon fruit. You can take your fruit soap. You got this one, and you can take the fruit and you can test it. Delicious. And this one, you can make the soft fruit chop in the house with the many small, and it's fresh. And thank you. This is my video. See you next time. Bye bye.